Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here. This video, I did an order from Beaver Bushcraft, and this is like the third or fourth time I've ordered off them, and I've always gotten really good stuff. They advertise some of those strikers where for the ferro rod, but also for flint and steel. So 2-1 combo. I like that anyway. It saves me some carrying extra items. Plus I wanted to upgrade my striker from my ferro rod anyway because it's a bit short. But what I wanted to mention was the whole fact about how to process hoof fungus. Now if you watch me on Instagram and on my Facebook, I've been putting posts up and I've been trying to process this and I just can't seem to get it right. So if you know how to get it right, I've seen videos and instructions and stuff, but I just can't get it as good as they do. I don't know why. But let me show you mine at the moment and then I'll show you theirs and you can see the difference. Right, so this stuff here, you can see the top layer and then the bottom layer there. So I took off all of the hard shell off it. And then this I've soaked for probably about 3 or 4 days. This is really old stuff. I harvested it and then just kept it on the side and then I didn't touch it for a while. So I think it got really like solid or hard, or even want to call it. So I soaked it for 3 days and then I boiled it for a few hours. And then it's a little, like, you can barely squeeze it down. I know the next step is to pound it, but if you see it here, you can see all the layers and stuff. But I don't know if I have to soak it more or boil it more, or that I'll just let it, maybe I just let it, this is the bottom bit, and you can see all the strands and that. Or maybe I just let it sit for too long and you have to harvest it when it's fresh and process it when it's fresh. I'm not sure. That's my old stuff. And then this stuff here, you can see the color difference. This is like a lot lighter brown. This stuff here I haven't soaked or boiled or anything, and this is just fresher, but you can definitely see the difference because it's a lot more fibrous, and you can do something with this one. So I'm not sure that if I messed up before where just I'd left it too long and didn't process it when it's fresh or not. But this is definitely a bit more fluffier and spongier than the other stuff. But then this is my stuff, and now I'll show you Beaver Bushcraft and you can see the difference. Right, so there's my order form. So you know I did actually pay for this. Like I said, I bought 2 strikers, and then I bought some Amadou, probably not saying that right, but Amadou Tinder down, horse hoof fungus, and an extra bag of that as well. And then I paid for the shipping, so that came to $26.50 for 2 strikers and the horse hoof fungus. The reason why I bought it is because I like their stuff better. I just can't seem to get it right. So I mean, look how fluffy that is. That's ridiculous. And they make this mass produced. Like, it's like pretty much like cotton. I'm almost frustrated enough to try to take a trip down to this shop and see how they do this. Alright, so I mean, look at that. That's very nice. It's like suede. So that'd be really good for what I'm going to show you now, which would be the flint and steel strike. But also really good for your Altoid tins. And then Hudson Bay tins and stuff like that. I mean, look at that. That's lovely, that stuff. It is. That's my daughter laughing at me. It's lovely. My daughter laughing at me. I'm getting excited over fungus again.
You're getting to that age now.
Yeah, I am getting to that age. Right. So that's that bit. And then I also I got a little bit more. And then you can see how fibrous that is. There. And that's just a little bit of jute just to help me get this going. Put that there for now. Right, so that's that bit. Strikers I actually haven't even seen yet myself. There you are. So let's just see what they look like. I've only seen pictures on Facebook. But one of the reasons why I like them, well, is nice edge on that. One of the reasons why I like that is because it has a nice little hole there, so I can put that in my lanyard. So let's just see, going by my fire kit here. I have a big fire kit because normally the weather here is really wet, so I really don't need all this, but I just keep it here so I know where everything is. So that's my striker before. You can see how small it is. I just wanted something a bit beefier, so you can see the size difference there. So let me just cover this up. Glass, there you go. Yeah, sounds good. Cool. Alright. And I just want to try the flint and steel side of this to make sure that works as well. So I'm going to grab a bit of this one, I think. Just a small bit, because I don't want to waste it. So I'm just going to grab that much. This is just a quick review. I mean, if you go to Beaver Bushcraft website, you'll see all this. That's some flint that I picked up in my garden because I have lots of flint near me. And then I have some crushed up cedar bark that I was drying out over here. It's still a little bit wet, but for this purpose it'll work. Flint on that so I don't blow away. Alright, so let's see if we can do any sparks. There we go. Oh, it's going quick. See that? Let's see if I can zoom in. There we are. So that's going really well at the moment. So you just take that, pop that in there. That's the end result of my steel. See how shiny it is now. Now this stuff here I haven't used yet, and I want to test that one out. Wow, that's really fluffy, that one. Let's see. See if I can zoom in enough on it. That's ridiculous. See if I can zoom in. I really gotta show you that. That is crazy. It's like a piece of cotton. Right. Right, so I'm going to use one of my bits of flint. See if we can get the. There we go. Smoked up pretty quick. There we go. It's getting hot. Okay. Oh, it's going really well. Okay. And it's out. So that's interesting. So wow, yep, definitely amazed on how they get their tinder so fluffy. guys, and don't forget, if you like bushcraft videos, don't forget to hit the notification button, make sure you're subscribed, and if you can, share the video. So that's a quick review of the hoof fungus I bought from Beaver Bushcraft. Good stuff. Like I said, I don't know how they get it so well made and able to sell. I mean, I have personal stuff here, I still can't get it right. But yeah, these, I'm going to add this to my striker for my flint and steel, for my ferro rod, which is why I got this. That's what I think about it. I think it's really nice little setup here. I like flint and steel fires anyway, but with this hoof fungus I bought, it make it easier for me, which is nice. But I'll still keep trying to figure out how to make it properly, because I may be able to find it in the woods. So I want to know how to, you know, process it down correctly to use it. But let me know what you think in the comments section. Are you a big fan of flint and steel fires? Are you just a ferro rod kind of person? Let me know. Have you bought stuff from Beaver Bushcraft? But thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.